Hello and welcome to Heritage Builders. I'm out here in Mustang Ridge. We're at the Seth project, and the spray foam has been installed, or it was installed a few days ago, and we did an inspection on it. We found a few places that it was a little bit light. We felt like it needed some more insulation, so got the guys back out here to do some touch-ups on some spots. There's just a couple areas on the roof that was just a little bit thin, and so they're just putting a little more foam on some of the areas. We want to make sure it's getting tight. Yeah, so they've got all the areas that needed to be touched up. So we're good for sheetrock. As you can see, we got the sheetrock stocked in the house. So we'll be putting up sheetrock very soon. Thanks for joining in, and as always, remember to like and subscribe to our page. We do appreciate that. Until next time, goodbye.